What up, Internet?
Hey there, camera! In the last video, we were in Tainan, and we walked around a really cool art village area thing called the Blueprint Art and Cultural Center. After that, we kind of accidentally maybe crashed a wedding.
Yeah, probably shouldn't have gone that way. Oops.
So if you haven't seen those videos, we'll link it for you. We're just going to talk a little bit about what's up in this video. We're still in Tainan, but we walked about 45 minutes from where you're staying in Tainan to a little old part of the city called Anping, which is like the oldest inhabited part of Taiwan, basically.
Oh, hey there, bumblebeers, and welcome to a new vlog series. A fun time vlog adventure. Strap in, here we go.
What up?
Hey, camera.
How you doing?
Probably doing as good as we are.
Yeah. You're in Tainan. Taiwan.
We've had an interesting morning. We're just trying to find Wi-Fi because our accommodation doesn't have Wi-Fi, so we don't know how to get to the train station. That's a 3-hour, or 3.5 at least, hour walk away. So
Couldn't get on the Wi-Fi at Starbucks.
No.
Can't get on the 7-Eleven Wi-Fi. There's like a city Wi-Fi as well that we saw at the bus stop, but it says to put in your passport number.
I'm not putting my passport. That's like information for you kids. Never put your your passport number on the internet. Now we're trying to walk to the Anping Old District, and it's gonna be really cool. I think. Well, at least it's not gonna be trafficy as much as we just walked through. Enjoy.
Walking along the water, the illusion of peacefulness, until a million loud scooters buzz by you.
So much louder than cars. They are.
Yeah. Like it lights up at the night.
Yeah. Does it look like one of your Jinjito spirals?
Yeah.
Uzumaki? I think maybe you need to crouch. Maybe crouch down. Don't know what that is, but it looks real cool. And this little guy is adorable. And I'm way happier because we got Wi-Fi on a random street corner and now I know how to get to a train station, so my anxiety has dissolved. We are good, right? Want to get a picture of me riding this weird tiger? Want me to get a video of you riding this weird tiger? I think we've made it to Anping. In fact, that sign right there says Anping Harbor National Historical Park. That would imply that we are in Anping. Everything's suddenly coming up Millhouse, right? These little men are adorable. Yeah. It's like the 7 dwarfs of here, except there's more than 7. And Snow White's weird looking. Huh. Which one do I like? This one's got a plant, so I think he wins by default. I like this one over here too, this guy. Yeah. Can you do a cool pose and hold something? Woohoo! We found the old streets. We made it to Anping. Now all we have to find is a giant bottle of beer and also a place to empty the previous coffee from our beer crevices. Right, Love Monkey?
Now, way back in the day, Anping used to be called Taiwan, which is actually where the name Taiwan comes from. Apparently, the Dutch would mispronounce that to something that sounds much closer to Taiwan. I'm a quarter Dutch myself, so maybe my pronunciation of Taiwan is also wrong.
I've often heard, because I went to a Dutch high school, that if you aren't Dutch, you aren't much. I am not Dutch. Proving you wrong.
Quarter of me. So like my right leg is
Yeah, just
pretty dope.
I like his mustache. I think this is another fort behind you here. See? Also, in this video, we go to an old fort, which initially was built by the Dutch back when they first landed, I suppose, in these lands. They built it and they called it Fort Zeelandia. Koxinga. He reclaimed this area and kicked out the Dutch, and then they built a fort on top of Fort Zeelandia, which is called Anping Old Fort. So basically this fort we visited is like a fort on top of a fort.
It's a deal.
We made it to the top. It's a former Dutch fort. Got some knowledge for us?
Yeah, let's drop some knowledge bombs.
Do it.
So here we are in Tainan. Tainan is the oldest city in Taiwan, and it used to be the capital between the years 1662 and 1887.
Yay!
Taiwan's been through some rough times. I was just reading on the things inside. It sort of gives some perspective when you've got these little snippets of information right next to each other. All of the Hans taking over and the
Dutch colonial times, and then the Japanese invasion.
Yeah.
And then they were saying, like on the other thing over there, that the British even attacked the fort.
They're saying shelled from naval ships.
Yeah.
Yikes. Poor Taiwan.
Yeah. There's still one old wall remaining of Fort Zeelandia. It's all covered in tree roots and stuff like that. And that's pretty cool as well. Another really cool thing about this fort is it was our second introduction to what I will call a fort beer. And we love that. I think there should be more fort beers in the world. So far my favorite thing about Tainan is the fact that every fort we've gone to, they have what I will forever now call fort beer.
Fort beer. They do specify on their little sign that it's only in Tainan.
Yeah. It's funny, I think, because fort in French means strong, right? It's not that strong. So this is the last remaining ruins of the fort. I love the roots. It definitely reminds me of when I went to Angkor Wat. So cool.
Neat.
There's remains of ancient like pottery and stuff.
Oh, cool.
Thanks so much for watching. Yeah.
Give the video one of these.
Yeah.
A punch with a thumb up.
And
The
also
bum.
comment below with your passport number. Don't do that.
Leave your SIN number in the comments, your home address, and your dental records, and your identity, and your underwear.